it seems like you guys, mlivokutana, you guys stuck.
Right.
How did that happen? Did you just, was it a conversation? Ashkaji, this sounds better when there's three of us than otherwise. Or is it just like we're jamming and this guy's doing this, I'm doing this, and this guy's doing this, and it's complementing. I think it's working. Oh, I think people like this. Let's do it this way. How did it happen?
I mean, tukianza pia hapo mali alikuwa sema KNT, when we were jamming, there was like other people who were there. Right. But I think mule mwenye anafaa kubaki atabaki na kuenda ataenda. I think, right? So hiyo kujam na kukomplementiana na kugrow pole ilisaidia kuona okay, now we can actually, you know, do something with this. Me personally nili hapo mwanzoni hapo tu tukipatana tu na wao kuna there's this competition that was happening ya Kuimba kwa a certain TV station, right? So I get on it and so they evict me. Right? First evictee kwenye show. Right? Wakaniambia kwamba wewe imba, you know, like and that to me, because I didn't really
mlikuwa paka na Otile Brown walikuwa watu wengi
the same so wakaniambia siwezi imba, and I didn't really, I was like okay, fine, that's, you know what, that's cool. I was even doing poetry anyway, so you just stay with your music anyway. Right? But pole tu, I think hiyo kupatana na kuanza tu you know, pole tu, just growing into being comfortable with each other na kuanza tu jam just naturally. Confidence karudi. Right? And then now the question of, oh, you guys are a band, okay, mnaitwa nani? Nini wajua? Kisha tunaanza kufanya open mics basically every day, because there was in Nairobi at the time, there was like an event happening, like utapata kuna club flani Mondays, kuna place flani Tuesdays, Sunday kuna street flani watu patana.
If you want to go, there's a place to go.
There's a place to go.
Always.
Right? So hiyo yani kukua constantly in people's faces and constantly just doing it and growing that, you know, confidence and growing that skill in itself. Katufanya tukona kwamba actually, you know what, we're actually good at this when we are together, and it's very strong. And then it can move into now each and everyone now growing their individual strengths like over time, so that overall mwishowe ukileta sasa skill yao on the table, like it makes sense and it makes sense.
Right?
Yeah.